Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix part of this app has been blocked error on Windows 11. So guys, how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, let's start the video. Right click here start button and then click here system option. And after that guys, click here privacy and security option. And click here Windows security, this arrow button. And find here app and browser control and click here this option. Now guys, click here smart app control setting option. Here click here. So guys, you can see here your smart app control is on. Now off it and restart your machine and check your problem is fixed or not after restart. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.